Yes, hi. Little message from myself. Here in Singapore, had a successful visit, did some information talks, and we can certainly see that awareness also in Asia is growing. We're hearing words of 5G being introduced, kids in school not doing well, headaches, nosebleeds, those sorts of things. Of course, it's very difficult to jump to conclusions all of a sudden, but these are certainly things that people should be keeping their eyes open for. And especially in hubs like here, like in Singapore, old tall buildings, cell phones on top. Lots of people have a great view of the city, and the city has a great view of them. What do I mean with that? Is that when you have a view in front of you of a city, a vista, and you see buildings that you might not recognize because they're so far away, but on those buildings there are cell phone towers that have an uninterrupted line of sight view of you. That means that typically in those sorts of places, those sorts of apartments, homes, you're paying for that view with a higher exposure to radio frequency radiation from those towers. So yeah, that's something we typically often bump into in apartments, high rises. You've got a view, you tend to have high radio frequency radiation exposure. Now that's fixable, with our T98 shielding paint, easy done. You can do that yourself. You get a painter to come in and basically apply that protection to you. One of the sort of benefits we do see here is that there's a lot of concrete construction and concrete in relation to electric field exposure from the wiring that's inside the walls. That tends to be a lot less in concrete walls, so that's kind of a bonus. Of course, people still plug in bedside lamps and all sorts of things, and these things emit a lot of electric fields. But during an assessment you figure out how that all fits together, and then you're able to address that successfully. But yeah, so with a bit of a view, nice apartment, nice view, you tend to have higher radio frequency radiation exposure, so just be mindful of that. Great, so anyway, I'll be back here next week, do another talk, and then it's back to Australia for me. So anyway, hope to see you soon or in the future.